Fabric type, fleece care. Instructions, machine wash. Origin, imported about this item. Revised and professional version. Warm and cozy protection. Convertible cuffs easily turn into mittens and booties, keeping your baby warm in changing weather. Perfect for daily use, stroller walks, and outdoor play. Comfortable, roomy fit. Designed with extra space to allow layering on colder days, providing long-lasting wear as your baby grows easy for parents. Features a long zipper for quick dressing and hassle-free diaper changes. Ideal for busy routines, daycare mornings, or errands. Car seat friendly, lightweight yet insulating. Keeps your baby warm without bulky layers, ensuring comfort and proper car seat strap fit. Perfect gift choice. Soft fleece feels like a warm hug, making it an excellent gift for baby showers, holidays, or a newborn's first winter. Note: not intended for sleepwear. See the comments for the Amazon link.